Hello and welcome to BlackPipper Forex. Today we are going to discuss a very simple scalping strategy in Forex trading. This is based on a DeMarker indicator that is by default present in your MT4 trading platform. Simply go to your navigation panel and in the oscillator section you can see here is the DeMarker indicator. You can run it on your default settings. No need to change anything. So Okay, so let's get started. You can see these light gray horizontal levels in this indicator window. This is point 0.7, which is an overbought region, point 0.3, which is an oversold region. So you have to get alert when the price moves beyond point 0.7 or when it moves below the point 0.3 level. For example, here you can see that the oscillator value has just exceeded from the point 0.7 level. It goes up to 0.93. It's nearly 1, which indicates it's highly overbought. So in that case, you have to wait for a bearish candle to appear on the chart. Okay, so here it actually crossed the barrier, crossed the oversold area, entered the oversold area. So but it went up and up. So here it was going upside, so you don't have to enter anywhere around it. See, when the oscillator turns the direction, like here it turns the direction to the downside, it starts forming a mushroom kind of pattern, something like a mushroom like this. So you have to enter on that. Okay, so first confirmation is you have to see that the oscillator turns the direction. Then you have to find a bearish candle. So the bearish candle should be a strong bearish candle. It should not be a very small bearish candle, like this is a very small candle, this is also a very small candle. So something like that, something like that. Okay, so once it appears, you entered here, place the stop loss slightly above the swing high. This is okay, this is the recent swing high, and your stop loss could be around this level. Okay, so this is your stop loss, this is your entry. Okay, now uh, your immediate support level is this, so you can enter your TP at the nearest support area. uh, you can even zoom out the chart and see if you can find another support area in your left hand side of the chart. You can keep that as your second target TP2, but that depends on you how you can manage it. Okay, so let's see how you can spot a buy setup. Okay, so here you can see the price went down nearly, it's around zero, nearly zero. So you can see that here it turned to the upside, but the candle here is not a very strong candle. Like the spread of the candle should be a little high. It should not have uh, wick on the upside, because we are going to buy. While selling, there shouldn't be wick on the downside. Okay, so we waited for it, and here it turned positive. We have a very strong candle. So this is our entry point. Okay, this is the recent swing low. We place our stop loss slightly below this level. Okay, so what is our immediate resistance level. So this is a kind of double top. You can target that. So you can see we have a really great risk to reward ratio. We have very small risk here and very great reward. So this is all. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like it, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Take care.